More YouTubers, you want to grow on YouTube, and then you are neglecting some of the features on this YouTube. Are you sure you really want to grow? Okay, maybe you might not have gotten this kind of information before, but before I tell you what this feature is, please watch this video to the end. Those people that used to come and click on the video and click off, if you like, do it now. Please watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to tell you how many subscribers this feature has actually given me and how you can go about it. Guys, trust me, no capping. You know me now. I can't just come here and be telling you what doesn't work for me. Remember, you know me. I don't do that. I try something out. If it work out for me, I come and tell you guys. That's how I roll. Yeah. So let me tell you about this feature. Have you been using community tab feature on your YouTube channel? Or do you even think that you need to reach a certain number of subscribers before you can use this feature? It's a lie. Oh. It's a lie. You can start using this feature irrespective of the number of subscribers you're having on your channel. And trust me, this feature works perfectly well, guys. When I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't even know about this feature. But then, like, we learn every day. I didn't see it from anywhere. I was just like scrolling through my YouTube. But if you press on that plus button to go on live, you see posts and I click on it. That's how I got to like experiment all the parts on this community tab to see how it actually works. And that's how I got to know about it. And it has really, really helped me. Why do you need to be using this feature? This feature helps you to build a loyal audience or a loyal community, because whenever you post a video, you get to share it to your community. Even people that have not subscribed to your channel might actually come across your post on your community tab, and if they like it or if it's actually a video, they'll watch it and it will actually prompt them to subscribe. This feature has given me tons of subscribers as I've used it for the past few days. And if you see the number of persons that have actually answered my quiz, guy, I'm not even capping. This features helps you to ask questions. You get to like question your audience. You get to like quiz them. You get to like drop a poll for them to vote. You get to like do all of those stuff like that. And you see, you get to like use GIF, this short animated video. You get to like do all those stuff like that, and it helps to keep your audience interactive. Or sorry, it helps to keep your audience to be interacting with you. So now that you know how this feature works, how do you now use it? That is the question you should be asking yourself, and that is why I'm making this video, to actually show you how you can make use of this feature. But before I proceed, have you liked this video? Have you subscribed? Have you shared? If you have not done all of these things, guys, do well to do that. All right. So I'm just, before I even show you how this feature work, let me take you to the other side of my screen and show you the evidence first. Yeah, that is what I'm going to show you first. Because if you have been neglecting this feature, just know that you are missing out. Okay, first of all, I'm just going to add you straight to my YouTube Studio app. Okay, here is YouTube Studio. So I click on that. Let's give it a little time for it to actually come up. I just hope my network is strong. So when you come here, you now see content. You click on content. Okay, sorry, come to your analytics. So when you click on your analytics, you now see content here. You click on that. So when you see content, you are going to see, this one is all, you are going to see videos, you are going to see shorts, live, post, playlist. Our main point is post. So I will go to post. So when you come to post, you can see how the impression has skyrocketed. Do you understand? I got 1,808% more than usual. You can see how the graph is going up. You can see that the likes, I have 401 likes on my post, plus 26 subscribers, guys. Oh my god. So after checking that, you can see the subscribers here. After checking that, you now see top image post. You can see that the top post I have here is how I reached 250 subscribers. That is the top post I have here. That's image post, right? Let's go to top post. Do you understand? In top post, I have the top video here. Do you know that switching to your other account can actually alter your YouTube channel? That is that for that. Then let's come to top quizzes. Like the quiz I get to like ask my community. You can see that the top quiz that I have more viewers, more people that interacted with is, have you heard about the latest YouTube updates? That is the quiz that over 724 persons have actually interacted. You can see this one. Do you think posting consistently on YouTube, I don't know, like it doesn't get to show up. I have 658, can see 606, 281. Have you been running out of content ideas? 273% actually vote for that. Then these are the text posts. I have my top post here is, don't chase perfection, chase progress. Yeah, I think that's the caption for that. Then top video post, how I reached 300 subscribers. So after getting to see this analytics, I'm going to show you how you yourself can actually get to make use of those features. Let's head straight over to our YouTube app. Let me show you how you can make use of those features, guys. Okay, so when you open it here, you now see this plus sign. You click on it. So when you click on those plus sign, you are going to see post. If your own is on live stream, please click here to put it on post. From there, you are going to see all these options here. If you click on this first one here, this first one is that you get to ask your audience a question, like for them to vote. Like that's dropping a poll for them to vote. You understand? That is what this first one is all about. When you type what you want to type here, and if it's image, you click here to add the image. If it's text, I'm going to delete it. So if it's text, you click here. Or do you think posting consistently on YouTube is the best? that that can be your question, right? Maybe the first option you put yes, you put no, then people will get to like vote for it, right? So some people might say yes, some people might say no, based on their own like based on what they have, based on what actually work out for them. If you still need to add more option, you click on add option and you click on post. That's that for that. So let me start again. So after that, you can see this one here, image. You can see in our studio analytics, we had image post, poll post, quiz post. I've shown you about poll. The next one is text post. You can just type anything you want to type it here and post it. That is text post. You can just actually use this one to ask your audience about the next video or what topic would they want you to make a video on, and they'll get to answer that in the comment section. After that being said, the next one is this one, image post. Remember, we have poll post, we have text post, we have image post, and we also have quiz post. This one is the third one, right? This one you get to like pick up to 5 images. That's the least image you can use for this one. You get to just click and select. You see, if it's up to 5, I'm not going to select anyone again. So when you select this 5, you go ahead and click on next to post it. I don't want to post anything. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this tutorial. So after that, the last one is quiz post. You come to this one here. So when you come here, this is where you get to ask your community a question. Do you understand? You can type your question in those side here, then you now put the answer. Okay, you might say, do you think posting shorts help you to go viral? Of course, we all know that the answer is yes. You might type here yes, you might type here no. But in those case, when your answer is yes, you need to tick that this one is the answer. If you answer no, you put the tick one, like you make it to be ticked here, so that if people actually get to like answer your question, they'll know that this is the correct answer. So if people actually say no, you might come here and write a little caption about that stuff. And if it's something that you post about creating content, you can actually copy the link of that video and you put out there, so that when people click on the correct answer, it's only when people click on the correct answer that this explanation part will come up. If you click on no answer, it's okay. If you click on no answer, yeah, it will still come up. Yeah, remember. But it will show that you've gotten the wrong answer. Then if you still click on right, the right one, it will still show, and the explanatory part will now show. From there, you will now paste the link of your video here if it's something that is related to your video, and people will get to like click on that link to watch that video. And after that, just click on post. But I don't want to do that, right? So let's click on, sorry guys, let's click on close. Then I want to take you to my YouTube community and show you how you can actually be seeing all those things on your channel. All right, so let me click on my profile picture right here. And when I click on that, you see this view channel. I click on it. So when I click on view channel, you are going to see home tab, video, short, live, playlist, and the last part here is community, right? I click on that. So when you click on community, yeah, just okay, you can see this one is actually a post because I posted it 1 hour ago. You can see it right here. You can see all this my post here. This one is a quiz, 9 persons that answered. You can see all this thing here. Then another thing I want to show you here, you can actually come to my community and check things out for yourself. So how can you now post your video to your community immediately after upload? That is what I want to show you in this video. All right, let me even change. I will see like this video now is actually one of my videos. So if without you going to my playlist to watch this video, if I click here, this video will actually play. How was I able to do that? That is what I'm going to show in this video. You can actually use this one to be sharing. If you have like 2 YouTube channel, you can actually be using this feature to be sharing your video from one channel to the other for them to watch. How do you do that? All right, so you now come to view channel. So when you click on view channel, you are going to see, okay, I'm just going to make of this video right here. As you can see this video, you just click on those 3 lines here. So when you click on the 3 lines, you see share. You click on share. So when you click on those share, you now see create post. You now click on create post. So when you now click on create post, if you have the link to this video, you can paste it here. But if you don't have, I can say how I got verified on Facebook for free, and I just post it. So when I post this, let's just give it a little time for it to. I posted it. Let's click here to view what I just posted. So you can see I just posted this now. So the moment I click here, the video itself will automatically play. As okay, you can see that this video is actually doing well. That's why YouTube decided to like place advert on it, because I'm not yet monetized. Because someone was actually asking me, are you monetized? Because I've seen advert on your video. I'm not monetized. It's just that the video is doing well. That's why YouTube decided to like place advert on it. And guys, trust me, with this, you are good to go. You are going to have a loyal community that get to like interact with you, and also give you subscribers as well. Please do well to like this video, share this video to get to as many persons that might be needing this type of information right now. And please, if you find it helpful, leave your comment in the comment section, because I know that a lot of persons haven't known about this feature. Please, if you find it helpful, comment please, so that others will actually see that you have gained value from watching this video. Subscribe, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I get to upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to get notified. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Mwah.